Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. I came over here to Best Buy because I had to grab another mic. This is the Rode mic that I already own, but I wanted a secondary one so I didn't have to switch them back and forth between cameras, and I'm glad I bought it. I actually had a rewards from buying from Best Buy. This cost $60 and my rewards was $50, so I only ended up having to pay 10 bucks. Awesome! $10 microphone. So I've got a late start today. I was gonna run in and eat. I am still starving, but we're kind of running out of time. It's already after 1 o'clock and I really need to get some errands done. So I'm probably just gonna fix me something quick to eat. Someone had mentioned the glare from the window, so I decided to put a black sheet down right in front of the camera. That way there's no more glare, hopefully. We'll see how that works. I used to have something there, but it got worn out, so I took it out. I do need to replace it. I'm going to cut something to fit since I do have a white dash and it reflects pretty badly, so.
Do you have to have a membership for Sam's Club?
Yes, Sam's Club is a membership place.
Kind of like a Costco.
Right. It's a wholesaler. So I did a bit of running around, got some stuff done. I was able to stop here at a local park. There's another RV here, so it seems like they're pretty friendly. Now I found a spot to park. I'm going to eat something. I made me a lettuce wrap. Yummy. I'm going to eat a banana as well. Oh, I am really starving. I think school is letting out, so the park is starting to get busy. I'm going to go ahead and move on. I think I'm going to meet Terry and Scott at the casino. Yes, school has definitely let out because the park is getting packed now with kids. So I am moving on. The casino is only 4.5 miles from here, so not too bad.
In 600 feet, turn left onto I-8 Business Loop, South 4th Avenue.
Thanks, Bev.
Left onto I-8 Business Loop, South 4th Avenue.
I guess I should call Terry and Scott and tell them that I'll just meet them there because I think they're still running errands and doing some grocery shopping. Kinda sucks getting stuck behind one of those city buses. They're always stopping and going, stopping and going. So I decided to go around it. I have about 2.7 miles to my destination. I'm going to Paradise Casino. I'm just gonna meet them there. I might go inside for a minute. And then I plan on going to the lake soon, so I'm not sure how long they want to be at the casino. Yuma is really a bigger city. At first I didn't think it was that big until I came here for the first time. I didn't realize. But yeah, it's big like Phoenix. Be careful, construction happening. Slow down. So So we just left Yuma. The casino is outside of Yuma, but we are now in California. So welcome to California.
Turn right onto Winter Haven Drive.
Thank you, Beverly. Gotta turn over here.
Turn right onto Winter Haven Drive.
Winter Haven. More farmland out here.
In 1,000 feet, turn left to stay on Picacho Road.
Boy, the roads are bumpy here. There's a bridge that's only 14-foot clearance. Yuma Main Canal, Yuma Project. Ugh.
Take the next left to stay on Picacho Road.
Thank you. This road's kind of suck. All Paradise Casino traffic. Wow,
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Indian Hill Road.
Thank you. I need to fix these roads. They're ridiculously awful. I think these are worse than dirt roads.
Continue straight onto Agnes Road, then slight left.
I don't remember this being open last year. This was blocked off as far as I remember. You had to come in the backside over there and through the bridge. They must have recently just opened this up. I see they have a
Slight left.
healthcare center right next door. Yeah, this wasn't open at all. I see where they've dug it up. There's the casino. Where that white van is coming from is where you had to enter the casino. You have to cross a bridge. Here it is, Paradise Casinos. RV, bus, parking on gravel lot only. Wow, this used to be packed with RVs. I guess people were overstaying, staying here for longer periods than they really should have. It's $10 for 1 day parking, $25 for 3 days, and $50 for 70. Hello?
Hi, did you go to Paradise?
Yeah, I'm here at Paradise. It is empty here. So I can definitely understand why they started charging, because people do take advantage of free spots. Sometimes, instead of staying at the LTVA, which is $180 for 6 months, and that's really inexpensive, considering you get to stay there the full 6 months, no harassment or anything. I think people would come to the casinos and stay 6 months or a couple months. And that's just taking advantage of the situation, which is sad, but it happens. We're going to be here just for the day. They only charge you $10 if you want to overnight. So if you just come here for the day to play or hang out at the casino, then they don't charge you any money. This is just my opinion, but I think they're charging too much for a muddy dirt parking lot. But like I said, that's just my opinion. I did speak to one of the employees there in the casino, and they said it's kind of silly that it sits empty and they lose the money that the RVers could bring. Now, I know everybody probably didn't spend money at the casino, but I'm sure there were plenty that did. I'm heading on. Terry and Scott are going to stay here for a little while and enjoy themselves. I just want to get to the camp spot before it gets too late. So it's already after 4 o'clock, and it usually gets dark by 5. So yeah, I definitely want to get there before it gets dark. I really don't like showing up to camp spots when it's dark.
Toward Levee Road.
Thanks, Bev. I will say this casino is definitely not as busy as it used to be. At least
In
not.
a quarter mile, turn left onto Picacho Road.
Thanks, Beverly. At least not as busy as when I used to come here before. Alright, we're getting on to Interstate 8 East.
Continue on I-8 East for 4 miles.
And like she said, we have 4 miles to go. We're back in Arizona, which didn't take long. There is a territorial prison here in Yuma. It is a pretty big city, actually. I mean, not tall like skyscrapers, but it's spread out pretty wide. Our exit is coming up here in less than a mile. It's exit 3.
In half a mile, take exit 3 for Avenue 3 East toward Arizona 280 South. Take exit 3.
Here's our exit, exit 3. Towards the end of Yuma.
Turn left onto South Avenue 3 East.
This is how you'd go if you were going back up to Quartzsite. Okay, I guess I have to get into this lane here. Like I said, it's like heading back to Quartzsite. You have to get back on 95 and head north for about 4 miles, and then it is on the left-hand side. We still have about 8 miles until we get there, though.
Turn left onto South Avenue 7 East.
Okay, here's our turn. Oh, this is where the gas station, the first gas station you come across when you're coming to Yuma. I always want to say Quartzsite. At least there's a gas station here with water.
Continue on South Avenue 7 East for 1.5 miles. Take the second right onto East County 7.5 Street.
Alright, here is the dirt road I guess you have to take to get there. Huh. 3 miles down this dirt road. Nice. There's the watering gullies to the right-hand side for the fields. My goodness, this is the longest, bumpiest dirt road. Luckily, we got through all the mud areas. There was a lot of mud patches going through this road. And we still have about a mile to go. Oh my goodness. That was a long 3 miles. But we're here. No fireworks. Oh, it's just kind of spread out. I looked at the Google Maps sky view and I didn't know it was so many trees and bushes and stuff. They say it's busy back here, so there might not be any spots here. I don't know, we'll see. Ah, it's so bumpy here. Yep, it seems fairly busy. Ooh, pretty water though. Yeah, it's really busy here. I mean, really packed. I'm trying to find the road that leads...
Okay, if you get to the other side, be very careful because Dave ripped his step off. He hit a rock down that back. He went to the other side of the lake and it's really bumpy, I guess.
Okay, yeah, where Carolyn and them are. I had to get turned around because it was hard to turn in this way. I didn't want to turn in. Wow, it's really busy here. I mean, there are literally lines of RVs around this pond. Community fishing water. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this, y'all. This is tied up in here. Well, I guess it clears out right here. It's not as busy. There's Carolyn.
It's all free.
Oh, is that all
Scott-
free?
yeah,
Awesome.
Is Scott and Terry
Yeah,
doing it too?
they're leaving the casino and coming now.
Okay. Yeah. Anywhere.
Okay, cool.
Back in.
I'll just pull over there.
Oh, Jack. Oh, Jack is like right on this side of the tree.
Okay, I'll try not
So you
to.
guys could both
yeah.
walk in there or something.
Okay, cool. Thank
Yeah.
you.
And that's, you know, obviously Ross, and this
Yeah.
is Jerry.
I'm gonna get parked. Well, I fortunately found a spot. It is really busy here. It's a lovely spot though. I'm gonna go and hang out with friends and stuff. I'll give y'all a tour of it tomorrow in the next video. Hopefully I'll see you then. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. I love y'all out there. Bye for now. Mwah.
I have been taken by the words that you say. The voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we